Hello students, welcome to class 11 of the course Curriculum Studies in Science Education. This class we pay close attention to the Canadian context as well as to the situation in Ontario in terms of science education and science curriculum. Doing so, we consider socio-cultural, political, and educational aspects involved in curriculum reform and curriculum development. We examine the federal or national provincial relationship and an interprovincial comparison regarding integrating indigenous knowledge in science education. Of course, throughout the course, you actually brought up in your posts examples of what happens in Canada and particularly in Ontario and also other areas in Canada. This class we look at these contexts in a more systematically manner, evaluating similarities and differences between different places. Doing so, we apply theoretical frameworks on the Canadian and Ontarian context. So we have, of course, two themes. The first, a national curriculum reform. And I'm asking, what do you think should be the influence of a national reform document such as the Common Frameworks of Science Learning Outcomes on Canadian provincial science curriculum development? To what degree you think provincial ministries of education should adopt and or customize these national reform document according to local circumstances in the province? What would you recommend to Ontario's Ministry of Education once another national reform document is issued? And of course, please use the readings, in this case, Milford et al.'s analysis and discussion in your answer. The second theme, integrating indigenous knowledge. And I'm asking to use your assignment 2 analysis of Ontario science curriculum or any other source or knowledge you might have. And I'm asking, how do you view the situation of integrating indigenous knowledge into Ontario's science curriculum, comparing to the situation in Western Canada as reported by Kim, paper of 2017. To what degree you think such integration should be conditioned on the particularities of each province in Canada? Perhaps such integration should be similar in every Western country, not just Canada, where indigenous people live, for example, Australia. I hope you will enjoy the readings and the discussion this week on home, at least for most of you, Canada and Ontario. Bye bye.